Hi everyone, I'm Volga and today I'll show you how to share your Notion pages and templates easily. In the top right corner of your Notion page, click Share. You'll see two tabs, Share for inviting specific people and Publish to make your page public. In the Share tab, enter the person's email. If they aren't signed up with Notion yet, they'll receive an email invitation. Next, choose their access level, full access, can edit, can comment, or can view. After selecting access, click Invite. Notion might ask, upgrade guests to member? Ever wondered why the Notion wants to upgrade guests to members? The answer is simple. Notion encourages upcoming guests to members to streamline collaboration. Guests can access only the page they're invited to. Can't view workspace-wide pages, adjust workspace setting, or add members or integrations. Once someone is invited, their name appears in the access list. You can change their access anytime or remove them by clicking the arrow next to their name. Go to the Publish tab to publish your page at the website. Click Publish and you'll get a link to share. You can even allow it to appear in search results. If you want others to copy the page, enable Duplicate as template, so they can duplicate it into their own Notion workspace. And that's it! Now you're all set to share Notion pages and templates with ease. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials. Bye!